What's up, guys? Welcome back to Task Force Off-Road, and in this video we're going to be unmounting my 37-inch ridge grapplers for something a little different. Yeah, we got some new tires. So, I mean, you'll see it by the end of the video. You saw it in the title anyways, but I'm not going to show you yet because it's going to be a nice little reveal. So we're going to start by getting the tires off the Jeep, jacking it up, and getting the air out of these things. So let's get to it. Good morning, guys. So we did some work off camera last night because I wanted to try it first. It's the first time I've ever done it. So I got one unmounted. Not as much work as I was hoping to be able to get done, but one is better than none. It is proof of concept. So I was working with this ridiculous, like 40,000 pound ratchet strap and my jack to get that guy done. I have a proper ratchet strap today, so it's gonna be a lot easier to work with, I hope. Spent a lot of time fiddling with that and a couple of other things. So we're about to crack into it. I'm gonna do a little tutorial of how I got that tire unmounted and seated off the bead, and then we're gonna roll right into it. Hopefully these ones go a little easier, but our next step is to remove the bolts around the beadlock rings. So for that, I'm gonna use my trusty dusty little electric impact here. Gonna get that job done nice and easy, and we're gonna roll right into it. Alright guys, so we're now down to our last tire to unmount. So much easier than last night. I'm going to attribute it to having the proper ratchet strap, totally, and then Deli's doing it once before. I kind of have the technique down now. I'm probably like 10 minutes a tire. So, we're going to get this last one unmounted. I'm going to tell you exactly how I did it. So, here we go. Alright, first things first, we want to lube up the bead of the tire. Don't stinge on this because it's going to make your life a heck of a lot easier down the road, guys. And this is just some soapy water. It's some Dawn dishwashing detergent and some tap water. Alright, so then we're gonna take our ratchet strap and we're gonna hook it to this bottom bar that holds the wheels of the jack. And this is gonna go through the tire. We're gonna take the other side and do the same exact thing. This is also gonna go through the tire. And then we're gonna take the bead of the tire right here And we're gonna put the saddle, bead of the tire right here. We're gonna take the saddle and put the saddle right around this area, give it enough room to not hit the lip of the wheel right there. So I'm gonna let this down on the saddle. Oh. Kind of going by feel here to make sure I don't put the tire too far in. Okay, that should be good right there. All right, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our straps and bring them up through the tire itself. So we're gonna feed down here and grab these straps through and do the same with the actual ratchet. Pull it through the wheel. What we're gonna do with this strap is put it under the jack. Then we just strap it into the ratchet, tighten her down, and we're good to go. And now we're good to start operating our jack. So we just let this guy jack up, and this should pop the bead to our tire. You're gonna hear some creaks and moans. All right, there we go, bead broke, so I'm probably gonna need to break it in another place. Yep, there we go, freed up. So now, to get the wheel itself out, it's more physically demanding. So I use 3 flathead screwdrivers, and I'm gonna pick this wheel up and I'm gonna slide it in, and I'm gonna get one of these screwdrivers underneath the wheel. All right, once I got one underneath, I'm actually gonna take my foot and I'm gonna hold that screwdriver. Now, I'm gonna take 2 much longer screwdrivers, and I'm gonna start prying around the rim of the wheel and get this guy out of the tire. Alright, once you get about half done, it should come right out. Now these wheels need a bath. Alright guys, so with these new tires, I'm going to be installing a set of Apex performance valves. So I have to cut out my old valves, which will be the easiest way to do it here. And then these do accept TPMS sensors, so I'll be able to mount those up just as good. I'm not 100% sure if this will work, so I need a specific set of room between this tab. This should be fine. I'm not too concerned about it, but that is a concern. So we're going to get these guys mounted up next. I just cleaned all the wheels as best as I possibly could. There's a little bit of galvanic corrosion from the thread inserts and the wheel itself, but there's nothing I can really do about that. Kind of knew that was going to happen when you have an aluminum wheel, and then it's threaded inside with a steel insert. So that's kind of going to happen. So we're going to get those cut out now. been the most like graceful fucking. Alright guys, and that is it. The 39s are installed on the Jeep. Oh, they look so good, I gotta say. I'm super happy with them. And to be honest, I've had them on for a couple weeks now. They drive great. A couple videos have happened since then, or at least filmed, not released yet to you guys. But the Jeep's driving great. I'm in love with it right now, guys. It looks good. There's plenty more stuff to come, because now that I have to upgrade a bunch of stuff now because of these. But with that being said, guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.
Yeah, it's that first day of first grade. That cute girl, your third day. That backpack, that snapback you've had since the third grade.